Hi guys, I'm Tara from livingonadime.com, the author of the Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better and spend less. Today I'm showing you my fruit and vegetable grocery haul. So I went to a store called Sprouts here yesterday. I went to get strawberries because they were $1 a pound in 2-pound packages. So I went and stocked up on those. I did a whole video just on those, and here's a picture of what they look like. But let me show you what else I got, okay? So here's my strawberries that I've got all processed. Did a separate video on that. You can see how I earned $60 an hour just on this. But then I got baby carrots, 99 cents a pound. Grapes, 88 cents a pound. Oranges, 98 cents a pound. Potatoes, 88 cents a pound, and that's what I got for fruits and veggies. Here's the thing, guys. I earned over $100 an hour just by making one trip to the store. That includes my driving time and my time there. So I made $100 an hour by buying all these fruits and vegetables on sale, bringing them home, and this is how I save money and how I spend so little on my grocery bill. I only buy things when they're on sale. Now, I'm not going to say only, but I try to only. Like 95% of the things I buy, it's when they're on sale. If grapes aren't on sale, we're not eating them this week, okay? So that's why I stocked up. Those grapes will last us about 10 days. The oranges will last us a few weeks. The strawberries will last us a couple of months. The carrots will last us a couple of weeks, probably 2 weeks. We usually go through a thing of baby carrots maybe once a week. So that's how I earned $100 in 1 hour. Just think about it. If I was working a regular job making $20 an hour, that means I would have to work 6 to 7, probably 7 or 8 hours. 7 or 8 hours I would have to work at a job for what I saved in just buying things on sale and processing it myself. So, pretty good deal. Please check out my Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you guys next time.